Hello.
Bam. Look at here, y'all. We went to a place here in our area. They're known for their turkey. Okay, y'all. So we have a card. It's Hickory Tree Turkey Barbecue.
Yeah, they're
And
known for their barbecue turkey.
yes, and I'm
Yeah.
gonna tell you a little bit about it. It's healthy and delicious, Southern-inspired turkey and vegetarian fare. So they're known for their turkey barbecues, right? They have the giant legs, but we have the medium ones here, and they just as good. And turkey barbecue, crack and cheese. That's this. This is the crack and cheese here, and to believe it, the way it's layered is, it's Oh yeah, look at it, y'all. They known for that. Ooh yeah. And it's layered. It's got mac and cheese on the bottom, turkey, and barbecue sauce, and crackling on top, and all that's turkey.
Yep.
And that's the crack and cheese. They have southern kale. They have collard greens. They have fried turkey wings, turkey hot wings, jalapeno turkey dip. They have turkey baked beans, and giant turkey legs. And we have the medium ones here. And they have salads and turkey cracklings. Okay, so that's what that on top. And it's on 2804 Randleman Road, Suite L, Greensboro, North Carolina. So, and we met the owner today, and his name is Mike. And it's Mike and Sherry Neal, and it's a family-owned business. And they won many awards, but the newest award they won was at the State Fair in Raleigh. So they have a truck out there, come out there, I believe, once a year. And they also have a truck at the A&T University Homecoming Parade. We've seen them there, too. But this is their business here in Greensboro on Randleman Road. So, yeah, so that's what we have. We have the medium smoked turkey. We have the turkey dip. And we have pink lemonade. And the crack and cheese. Okay?
Yeah, smoked turkey legs. They also been in.
They've been in business 6 years. It's a family-owned business. And what else they were saying? So they used to do whole pigs, but they wanted to do healthy lifestyle, so they start doing turkey where it's healthy for everyone. So that's what they do now. And they do smoked turkeys and they do fried turkeys. But that's why they in the turkey business now. Yeah. So they wanted to make it something healthy that everyone can eat. Okay? So that's why they got into the smoked turkey business. Okay? So that's it. Anything else you want to say, Ray?
No, I think you done covered it all.
Okay, so that's them, y'all. So if you can't check them out in Greensboro, check them out at the State Fair in Raleigh. Okay? Our A&T Homecoming. Okay? So there you go.
Yeah, but all the turkeys are smoked turkey. So any type of way that you want it, they'll cook it for you.
And they even fry whole turkeys. Fry whole turkeys too there. Yeah. And I think they said they're very popular at Thanksgiving time for their fried whole turkeys.
Yeah, you have to put in your order in advance for that though.
Yeah, they were so popular, all the giant turkeys were sold out. And this is about it's about 320 now. So yeah, so they were gone that quick. And they were still getting more orders. But we have the medium one. So there you go.
If we'll say our blessing and get to eating.
Yes, while it's still warm. We just got in, y'all, with it.
Yeah. Lord, bless this food we're about to see, and nurse everybody in your name. Bless the one that prepared, bless the hands that prepared, bless the people in their owner and the business, and bless the one that be watching us eat it. Amen.
Amen. And A1 service. Very nice people, too, inside. So, get the eating here.
Oh, and we got pink lemonade.
Yes. Total pink lemonade. You know we usually drink water, but that pink lemonade looks so good sitting up there, so I said we have to try that.
Oh yeah, it's good too.
And they known for everything, but they really known for their giant turkey legs, y'all, and the crackling here. Mac and cheese. Yeah, I say it right. Yep, the crack and cheese.
Crack and cheese. Oh yeah. Nice and juicy.
Nice and juicy. And we just getting in, and it's a rainy day out there, but everything is still nice and warm, and everything is dry. I think it's supposed to rain here for the next, what you say, Ray, week or so?
It's Sunday.
Yeah, we're not getting nothing but rain, y'all. And it's Friday now.
You have a whole week of rain.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's better than snow in some areas.
Mm-hmm. And I want to, and the mac and cheese, I want to try it before I drench everything with hot sauce. Try this natural form. Look at that, y'all. That's the mac and cheese. And turkey crackling, y'all, on top. Not pork. Turkey. That's the crackling.
Yeah, they're in the turkey business.
Mm-hmm. In the healthy business.
Yeah.
That's good. And you can taste the smoke, and you can taste the sweetness. Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. And this is the shredded turkey, y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Crackling tastes good.
Yeah.
Mm.
And mac and cheese.
Mm. Turkey tastes good too.
And macaroni and cheese at the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Mm. This is mac and cheese, y'all. Mm. And all three taste good by themselves. Let me taste it all together.
Yeah.
Mm. Mm. It's that smoke flavor too.
Yeah.
The kind that's on the grill, not the kind like in the oven or something. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Tastes good. Mm-hmm. Mm. And the pink lemonade, y'all. Very good.
I have to go back there and get some more there.
Yeah. Now this is the medium turkey. Imagine what the giant one look like, y'all. And the medium one is big itself.
That's some big enough.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And tender. Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't gonna take the smoke flavor.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And the barbecue sauce, the turkey dipping sauce. Turkey dipping sauce is what it's called. Very good. Nice sweet flavor. It's good with outside. I know I have to try myself. Mm-hmm. Nice and tender. Mm-hmm. Mm. Fall off the bone, y'all. Cheese is good too, like that good cheddar cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Look like on it too.
Mm-hmm. Homemade. Mm-hmm.
Good cheese on it.
Mm-hmm. And there was a lot of people coming in here fighting the rain to get up inside there, so you
Yeah.
know it's good.
They say have a lot of calling. All
Mm-hmm.
of people calling in.
Mm-hmm. It was good when you talking a lot.
Yeah. Even good food, and you have time to talk.
Mm-hmm.
Too busy chewing.
Mm-hmm. And lemonade got the right amount of sweetness, right amount of tart.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's a big old packet. Mm-hmm. And they put lots of napkins.
Mm.
You got a lot of napkins.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That turkey dipping sauce is delicious.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. everything here. Some smoked egg, Daddy.
Huh?
That sauce is delicious. The sauce kind of tangy and sweet too, like some lemon in it.
Well, made
Can't
our
pull
own
away
barbecue.
from the turkey. It's so good.
Make our own sauce. Barbecue sauce. Turkey sauce.
Some shredded turkey now. That's
Well, something like this. Very creative.
We've already tried the crackling, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice and saucy.
Hmm?
Nice and saucy.
Well,
I've never would have thought of crackling with mac and cheese. But
Yeah.
it goes good together. And look at that thick piece of
turkey
cheese.
crackling. Take a leg full too. I know mac and cheese.
We usually don't finish everything, but we're gonna try to finish some of it today. Put a dent in it today.
Yeah. Let me have dinner.
It's like Thanksgiving without being Thanksgiving. and cheese and turkey and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's like Thanksgiving without being Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mac and cheese.
Mm-hmm. And turkey, just good eating.
Yep. All good thing he didn't have a giant turkey leg.
Mm-hmm.
Leave it out.
Mm-hmm.
Very
That's
good.
right. Val can get through this one. It's so good, you can't stop eating it.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. I love turkey anyway. Mm-hmm. Nice and tender. Mm-hmm. This is one food review I'm glad we did.
Well,
This is good.
yeah.
What are these little things that be in turkey? They're not bones. What do you call it? Mm-hmm.
Oh, these little
Mm-mm.
bones.
Mm-hmm.
What is bones?
Mhm.
Things like bones.
Mm-hmm.
The sharp bones.
Like gristle.
What is it?
Mm-hmm.
You look for a toothpick.
Mm-hmm. That sauce is out of this world.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta go get some sauce and put on it. It ain't gonna be like theirs though.
Nope.
And put on your meat, but it won't be like that though. That sauce is good.
Homemade sauce. Right?
Mm-hmm. And I did say family owned business too, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what make it.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. The owner was in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I guarantee it's a family owned recipe.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's family own secret.
Mm-hmm. Nice and fresh, ain't it? Everything fresh about it.
Yep.
Y'all can see I cleaned my bone.
Yep. Yeah.
That tender, y'all.
That's
Ain't
what
hard to
good.
finish. Mm-mm. We're gonna finish off the mac and cheese too. Yeah, me neither. That's it. Yeah.
Two spoonful of that. That's it.
Yeah, and the lemonade too. But we will finish it later, y'all.
Oh,
Now,
yeah.
what you think about the crackling though? What do you think about that?
It's good.
Yeah.
Crackling
Mm-hmm.
and pull apart turkey on that.
Mm-hmm.
Some macaroni and cheese.
Mm-hmm.
And that sauce.
Mm-hmm.
That's what make it the sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
That's it for me, y'all.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Clean but the bones.
What?
We'll finish off the mac and cheese later. There ain't much of that left.
Yep.
And the lemonade.
Well, like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Mm-hmm.
That thumbs up button.
And don't forget to like, comment, and
Comment and
subscribe.
subscribe,
and share. Yeah, yeah.
share with some other people.
And tell the world about this place now.
Yeah.
Hickory Tree Turkey Barbecue. Again.
Yep,
An A1 service.
yep,
All right, y'all. So, we're going to let you good people go now.
yep.
And we're going to say bye.
I'll say bye. And don't forget, love, peace, and soul.
That's right. So, okay, y'all. Bye, y'all.
Bye,
Okay,
bye.
bye.